Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact game version and server region. Mismatches break the method. Once done, log into your secondary account and enable developer or console access. This unlocks the controls you need. Next, set the lobby to private and toggle any bot spawn or population settings to default because customized presets will interfere. Make sure your network is stable. Packet loss will ruin synchronization. Now proceed to the orchestrated join sequence in the next step. You host the lobby on your main account, set it to invite only, then invite the secondary account. Once the invite is accepted, join and immediately leave the lobby twice. This forces the server to reset player slots and often causes the backend to populate with bots. While doing this, toggle the bot population or spawn command in developer mode to nudge the system. Small timing differences matter. If successful, bots appear as placeholders. Keep repeating the quick join-leave pattern until the bots remain. You lock the lobby once bots are stable so human players cannot displace them. This preserves the reload state. Then run a short stress test by starting matches to confirm bots persist across map loads. If the bots vanish, repeat the join-leave sequence with fresh invites and slightly different timing. The server sometimes needs a timing nudge. For troubleshooting, inspect console logs for version mismatches, authentication errors, or packet loss. These are the usual culprits and explain most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.